Welcome to Really Fun Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to add fonts to your Microsoft Word. First, you're going to open your Chrome browser, then type in www.dafont.com, then hit enter. Here you can select the theme. We're going to click on Medieval, and you can scroll down and choose a font. On the right hand side, you can see if it's free or if you have to donate. We're going to try Old English. Click download. When it's finished downloading, you click open the file, then click install. Once it's finished installing, you can go to your Microsoft Word, and that's where it'll be. Once you get to Microsoft Word, type in the name of the font, there you go. And that's how to install fonts to your Microsoft Word.